How to create a course on Samcart. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a course on Samcart. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Samcart, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Samcart, it is an e-commerce platform designed to help businesses create and also high converting checkout experience, optimize sales funnels, and increase revenue, in which it offers a features such as customizable checkout pages, one-click upsells, order bumps, and integrations with popular payment gateways and marketing tools. Also, Samcart's goal is to simply streamline the online sales process, reduce friction, and boost customer lifetime value by providing businesses with a robust set of tools and analytics. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or alternatively, you can click the Get Started button on the top right, where it will show you how you can start signing in here. By clicking Start a Free Trial button, all you need to do is simply select here the plan that you prefer. They offer here monthly and annual plan. You can click Start Free Trial to proceed, amounting to $79 in here per month. Or alternatively, you could also click the annual, in which it also offers 7 days free trial. In here, we have $59 per month billed annually. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of this Samcart. So all you need to do is simply navigate on the left side panel some of the options. We have here products, pages, offers, customers, orders, subscription. And on this dashboard, it will show you how you can get started. But in here, since we're trying to create a course, all you need to do is simply click the apps on the left side panel. And after that, in this Explore Apps, it will show you a variety of applications to choose from. And just click Course Platform section. By clicking on it, it will show you some of the courses that is offered for free by this Samcart website. We have here courses, Optimize Press, Wishlist Member, Thinkific, and many more. So let's say in this option, I'm going to click this one, Courses. By clicking on it, it will show us the library section or all of the courses in here in our library. But to create a new one, just click the Create New Course button on the top right, since this is basically what we're going to do to create the courses. By doing so, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information starting to the course details to enter the title of the course that you are selling or creating in here on Samcart. If here also the course URL that it will show you automatically after entering or filling out the required information. So for the course title, let's say I'm going to create here an accounting lesson and bookkeeping course. Now for the course synopsis, you can simply fill out what the course all about. And at this point, you could also use AI in order to start entering the description about the course that you're actually creating, given the title of it. But at this point, I'm just going to enter learn the accounting process and learn to do bookkeeping. And also aside from that, below you could also enter or fill out the course description to make it bold, italic, underline, and even upload a video and other media files or link on it. And let's say at this point, you can now proceed by navigating on the right side panel on the status. As you can see, it is considered as draft since we're not yet publishing it at this point. You'd also click the featured course if you want to, visible in directory, and also enter here or upload for the course thumbnail or the images from your computer files. So all you need to do is simply insert the images or upload from your computer. Now moving on, aside from this, you could also navigate under the library section once again and also click here your course that you've been created. You can now proceed to the next, which is this unit and lessons. From here, you can start adding or creating a unit and also a lesson in here. For example, by clicking this create a unit, it will show you below. You have here the unit 1 that you can click the edit button to start customizing the content of it. By clicking the edit, it will show you that you can edit the unit, including the title of it and description of this unit. And at this point, I'm going to create again another unit. So we have here now a 2 unit, which is unit 1 and 2. We can also add a simple basic lesson for it. For example, basic accounting for unit 1 as the first. Well, under the unit 2, I'm going to add here a lesson, which is, for example, rules, equation, and terms in here. And you could also add a new lesson if you want to by clicking add new lesson button, or import an existing lesson if you already have created or have on your file in here. And now from here, let's say we're going to add a new lesson, and to do that, we can now proceed by clicking add new lesson, and for the lesson 1 in here, or the other lesson, I'm going to enter the other topic, for example accounting glossary at this point. And you could also import again an existing lesson if you want to. We also have here to add another lesson, such as for example about the accounting background or history. So as you can see, it is currently being published and not draft. You'd also do the same process for the unit 2 and simply add the 2 lesson and add the subcategory or simply the subtopic for each lesson in here. For the lesson number 1 under unit 2, I'm going to enter for example accounting formula. So basically this is just an example. For the accounting lesson 2, I'm going to enter accounting equation. Now basically from here it is so easy to enter the name of the lesson, but you can even edit it, the content of the lesson, by clicking the edit button. And by doing so, you can now start adding here a media files, a link, or any material that you want to be added or included on each lesson. So here 2 unit with 2 lesson on it. So from here you could also add a description for it if you want to, and many more. So basically all of these details are quite easy to simply navigate and customize. And now going back to the page of course details, from here let's say we're going to add a photo or image for the thumbnail. I'm going to upload from my computer files. So just click this upload button right here, and by doing so just simply select on your computer files the image for the thumbnail. So by simply clicking or uploading it, I'm going to simply enter the title on the right side panel. You could also add alt text and even a caption for it. And once done inserting it, it will show you in here what it looks like. Now moving on to our units and lesson, if you're now done, you can now proceed with navigating on the other section in creating a course. If you're scheduling, you can schedule the configuration, the content timing. We have here the bulk edit if you want to, the release entries by. So basically when a customer already purchased this one, it will show you that you can release the entries by unit or by lessons if you want to. And below you can simply choose here the content timing. We have here different kind of title topic that we just add earlier. You can simply check on it if you wanted to add directly for the scheduling of the release. Now under public details, from here you could add the public or purchase button URL in here. You can even add a public thumbnail. Moving on, you can navigate the assigned products and cross-sell in order to start selling your courses that you just created. But now to see what the course looks like, just simply proceed by clicking view course on the top right corner. By clicking this one, it will automatically be directed us on this page and it will show us what it looks like. So this is basically what our courses looks like that we just created. We have here 0 videos, 0 quizzes, but you can add it directly on the content of your lessons and also the unit. So basically that is just how easy you can start creating a courses in here on Samcart website. And if you're now done, you can now publish it directly and click the save button on the top right to save the changes. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a course on Samcart. Thank you.